Are there any free filter options available for iPhone video calls?
Hello everyone! Today, we're delving into the exciting world of iPhone video calls. Specifically, we'll explore whether there are any free filter options available for you to use. These filters can add a fun twist to your conversations, create unique visual effects, and even help you express yourself better.
Are there free filter options for iPhone video calls?
The short answer is yes. Apple's native FaceTime application comes with built-in filters, Animoji, and Memoji. The best part? They're absolutely free. With these, you can change your appearance in real time during your video calls, turn yourself into an animated character, or use personalized emoji.
How to access these free filters on FaceTime?
Using these filters is incredibly straightforward. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Launch a FaceTime call. You can do this by selecting a contact and choosing the FaceTime option. 2. Once the call begins, tap the screen to bring up the menu. 3. Tap the Effects button. It looks like a star. This will open a selection of free filters and effects for you to choose from. 4. Select the filter or effect you wish to use. You can even combine multiple effects to get the perfect look.
What if I want more options?
If the built-in filters and effects aren't enough, there are plenty of third-party applications available on the App Store that offer free filters. Some of these apps include Snapchat, Instagram, and Zoom. These applications integrate their video calls with their filter collections, giving you an extensive array of options to personalize your video calls. So, there you have it. Not only are there free filter options for iPhone video calls, but there are also numerous ways for you to access and utilize them. Whether you're using Apple's own FaceTime or any number of third-party apps, you can make your video calls as fun and unique as you want. Thanks for watching, and have a great time exploring these exciting options.